Hi everyone. So what happens when you meet up with two friends to do some crafting and then it turns into a half day, 5 stores, thrifting bonanza? We may have filled up the back of Sylvia's husband's vehicle. Let me show you what I got. Now I thrifted a few places on the way down because I'm doing a sift swap with Sylvia again. Excuse me, and I needed to have a ceramic item for her, so I stopped on the way down and grabbed something for her. So there's a few of this stuff. Actually, the first half of this stuff I got before I even met up with them. So I'm going to show you that stuff first, or try to keep it all separate. I got this. This is actually metal, and I kind of just bought it for this to pull off and see if I wanted to use it. But I also know that my daughter Rachel was looking for something for their mail and keys, so I may see if she wants this before I alter it in any way. And then this is probably the favorite thing I got before I met up with them, is this heavy frame. So this looks like it was spray painted. I am going to pull off the felt backer and clean it up and then go ahead and paint that. I grabbed a couple little bunnies. Let me, this goes over here. Yep, this goes over there. I have some cute little bunnies. I'm still putting bunnies out in my booth. And we've got this little guy and this little guy. Super sweet. Those will just get cleaned up and put out. These are Flambro. You guys see that? Anyways, I'm planning on doing a class with jewelry boxes. So I've been scooping these up, and this one, I love the feet. The feet are what sold me on this one. And then the interior's already been redone, so it's something really cute. And that will get moved over. Next up, look how cute he is. I'm not doing anything to this guy. I'm just gonna clean him up, put him in the store. I also got these for me. They're just some small level little stencils that are just repeating patterns. And we've been doing like background stuff, and I wanted those for that. Oh, this clipboard, it's just wood. It's just solid wood. So this is gonna get a makeover. And then this Hearth and Hand cake stand. I probably won't do anything to this because I really like the wood. I'll probably clean it up, maybe re-oil the top of it here. I love it. I don't remember how much these things were new. 20 bucks new, and I paid $5. So love it, and it's real wood, so even better. This mirror, hand mirror, is just gonna get painted up. I just thought it was cute. I got this little kitty for Katie. She was not with us on this trip, and I saw it and reminded me of her. The little bow does come off if you hate it, so she can take that off. And then last but not least, I think, out of that stuff is just a mortar and pestle. I just have a little one and wanted a bigger one, and this one is really nice. Really heavy, really nice, and it's for personal use. So there's that. Let me move my other box, y'all. Now, when we were out together, I've been trying to be really good about what I'm picking up and what I'm grabbing, and it rolled over into when we were out together too. So this one was the Salvation Army. Orange tags were 75% off. White tags were 50. Everything else was normal. So this I paid 74 cents for. It looks like it's just a little shop project, but I'm going to paint this up and make it into something cute. We got some little copper pans, and they have different on the bottoms. This little teapot was used for a planter. You guys, it's made in Japan. I saw the little sticker on it somewhere, stamp on it right there. I'm going to clean this up. Haven't decided if I'm going to sell as is once it's cleaned up, or if I am going to upcycle it. I haven't decided. And then last thing I got there, you guys look at the patina. It was stellar. Great detail. I haven't decided if this is gonna get an upcycle or not, but it'll get something. Let me dump this out so I don't have dirt floating around in here, as well as everything else. Okay. And then, okay. So I've got 3 little things here of, I think that's what bounced off my foot. I don't know, but I got 3 little things of thread. They were 25 cents for this one. They're on old wood rulers, and that's why I got them, just because I thought it was a really cute way to do it. One was 25 cents, the rest were 15. I've been looking for one of these, and I finally found one. So I haven't decided if I'm keeping it or if I'm going to put it in the booth, but I've been looking for that. This I got to upcycle. I have another one. I just don't know where it is. So I grabbed this one. It was $3. It's going to get an upcycle, and I'm really excited to share that with you. That'll probably be a video of its own because it's going to have a lot of steps. Here's another one of those little threads on the little, oh shoot, I can't hold on to things today, y'all. On the little ruler, and then I dropped it again. And then there's one more. Maybe we'll come across it, maybe we won't. I don't know where it went. An old funnel. This is gonna get an upcycle. Put that with my little teapot. We got this brush. We love these. We love, love, love those. Just a paint opener. A little peeler grater. This will be a whatnot item. A little cloche, wire cloche with a bird. Got some rolling pins. This one's good. Look at the handles. It's all solid. My rolling pins are over there. And then I got 2 more. One was $3.99. One was $1.99. Love the patina on those. I got this just because I thought it was cool. I probably overpaid for it. I don't even care. I just thought it was neat and would look cute on a stack of books or with one of our flat spools. My dryer was going. Sorry, guys. Now, I was kind and shared some ironstone finds, but I did keep these Meakin plates. I have 2 of them. They were $1 a piece, and there is some crazing on them and some, you know, fork scratches too. But they're super duper pretty. Can you see that? Loved those. And I haven't decided if I'm going to keep those or sell those yet. And the same with this one. This has got some good spring colors, some good crackle. And this one, let me peel the sticker off. This was $3.99. And this is a good one. It's got a good mark on it. It's the... I just want to show you guys. It's got the little hands on it. Look at this, see the crazing? Do you see this? How beautiful, right? I just thought this was pretty. It would look pretty in a plate holder in the back, and then make a vignette in front of it with, you know, like some cute little bunnies or some greenery, something. I just thought it was beautiful. I fell in love with the crazing. I won't lie. The crazing's on both sides. Can you guys... Let me tilt my light up a little bit, see if we can get... I don't know. It was good. It was good. Hi, Larry. Are you helping me sort things out? Oh, I almost forgot about these. So I got 3 of these. These are USA Pottery, and they are the divided plates. I have some Fiesta ware ones like this, and they're worth a pretty penny, so I took a flyer on these. I haven't Google searched them or anything yet. These will probably go up on Whatnot, unless somebody hits me up for them before I get them on there. Love them. I thought those were a really good find. Oh, the things you forget about. I haven't Google searched these yet. I just got these because I thought they were cute. They're the brown driftware. They're a little shell. I don't know if they're a little salt cellar, what exactly they are. They had some good crazing in it. All 3 of them do. They were 99 cents a piece. So I thought, okay, let's take a flyer. We'll put them up on Whatnot and see how they do. Another jewelry box. This one's cute. So that will be for our class. Here is another thread. That was the last thread I had. And then my last item, this was all I got. I didn't get a lot, you guys. I really didn't. I knew I didn't have a lot of room in here for stuff. And I'm just being really particular. If I don't have a space for it at my booth, or if I don't have somewhere in my personal, I just want to make sure I'm doing the right thing and not bringing too much home. So this is a Syracuse China mug. Kind of obsessed with it. I thought it was gorgeous. Look at the handle. Look at this. Just a transferware little heavy Syracuse China. And that was the last thing I found. I'm not sure yet if the other girls are doing videos. If they do, we'll release them on that same day and I'll link their videos below. I don't even know everything they got. Cindy had a ton of stuff, has this beautiful metal bar stool that we're all really super jealous of. Sylvia's hubby even found some stuff. Kevin made out and he wasn't even gonna buy anything. But we all got some really good deals, some really good items that we're all very pleased with. I love my haul, even if it's smaller than everyone else's. I think I got items that I really like, and I know I have a purpose for them. Really, really trying to be purposeful. So I have a purpose. It's either going to be Whatnot, my booth, or my personal stash, or specifically to upcycle for a video, like the mirror or the ceramic, I'm sorry, the terracotta pot. Anyways, what do you guys think? What was your favorite item? I'm dying to know. I mean, I don't have a lot of things, but I think I had really good, high quality things that are going to go over really well for my resale part of my business. And I'm super excited to get these out. If you see something you like, everything's always linked below. How to contact us, how to make a purchase. We can invoice, we ship all over. Don't be afraid to contact us. And you guys, hit subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button, all the good things. It helps little businesses. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.